Okay, come.
बाटोमा अलि हेर्नु हैन है
Today I am going to teach about the marquee tool, selection marquee tool. Selection marquee tool. I am going to demonstrate in the practical session. So, at first you open that your computer into your computer, Photoshop, and start to do by following me. Sorry, be loud, loud. Marquee, selection marquee tool is used to select the required area. And selection marquee tool has different other sub commands or sub marquee. In here, in Photoshop, if you click and hold the mouse inside that the selection marquee tool area, at that time it displays the sub menu, sub commands inside that the marquee. Next one, then if we choose the rectangular marquee tool at that time, it selects the rectangular shape into our pictures. Then if you choose elliptical marquee tool, at that time it can select the picture in oval shape or ellipse shape or circular shape if you press shift key. You have already known that. Then single row marquee tool is used to select in a row one after another. If you need to select the row from a picture, at that time you can choose the selection row, single row. After then it can select row wise, or you can also select in column wise also. In which tool is used in there? There single column marquee tool is used. Other tool you have already done here, but single row marquee tool and single column marquee tool you haven't done. I am going to show this tool in here. Look here. At first, single marquee tool, then click in here that select the required area. Control D, deselect. Then another tool is in here we are going to read today that lasso tool. Lasso tool is also used to select the area freely. Freely we can select the area by dragging the mouse into our picture area. Inside our picture area, if we want to select the required area, at that time you can choose the lasso tool, LASSO, lasso tool. In here, lasso tool, choose lasso tool and opening in here two files. One is new file, another one is the picture file. Then lasso tool is used to select the required area by dragging the mouse into your place. Where you drag the mouse, that area is selected by the lasso tool or selected marquee tool. Understood? Then, if you want to select this portion of the picture, only this portion, only that area, only that shape in here, at that time you can drag the lasso tool, then drag the lasso tool, then you can select the area in this way, in here. In this way, dragging the mouse inside the picture area where you want to select. Clear? This tool is used to select the required area by dragging the mouse. Clear? Okay. In here, click lasso tool from toolbox. This is the toolbox. Then lasso tool from toolbox. After that, in here, drag the mouse into your area where you want to select. Clear? Drag the mouse where you want to select. You want to select this portion. This portion. Control D. Deselect. Then in here drag the mouse this portion or anywhere you want to select. In this way. By dragging the mouse. That is very easy to select because it is the smart board where that's the stand is used in here. Clear? Then you also can drag the mouse into your picture area. At that time, that select the required portion of the picture. Clear? Then this is the lasso tool. And why that selection area is needed? To copy, to cut, to move the picture portion into another area. If you need the picture's required area to another file, at that time you can copy, you can cut that picture's area and paste that area into your area. Clear? Then another one, if you click and hold the mouse in here lasso tool, here you can see the polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool is used to select the area in polygonal shape. What is the meaning of polygon? Thus, we can define the polygon. What is the meaning of polygon? More than four sides connected with each other and closed. That is called the polygon. And if you need to select the area with the polygonal tool, at that time, that polygonal lasso tool is used. Understood or not? Did you get a point or not? Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool. Yeah, you have a position there? Polygonal lasso tool is used to select the area in polygonal shape. Polygonal means more than four sides. More than four sides close with each other and making the required area of user needs. User needs required area of the user needs closing more than four sides with each other. That is the polygonal shapes. If you want to select the area of the picture in polygonal shape, at that time you need to choose the polygonal lasso tool in here. Then you can select the area in this way. Click at first in here, point. That makes the point. If you click another place at that time, that creates the points of the polygon's shape. Clear? That is the main point. In here, clear. Another. In this way. You can select. But that is the point is, you must click on initial position to close the shape. That is the main point in polygonal lasso tool. If you don't click on the initial position, give your attention please in here. If you don't click on the initial position, at that time it automatically close in its own shape. If you click on initial position, at that time it close into your polygonal shape. Clear? Okay. Not clear? Polygonal lasso tool is used to select the required area in polygonal shape. By clicking, at first you click in one place. You look in here. At first you click in one place. There come. The starting point, that is the initial point. Another place. That close. Okay. I am not going there, in here. I am going to close from here. Where is the initial position? Here. In this way, you can close the polygonal lasso tool. You can use the polygonal lasso tool into first. Clear? Okay, go on another commands. Any problems in here? No. Yes? No. Then another one. Another one is here magnetic lasso tool. Basically, magnetic lasso tool is used to select the similar portion, similar area of a picture. Look here. So magnetic lasso tool. Then magnetic lasso tool you have chosen there. Then click on initial position at first. Then move the mouse into your area. Move the mouse into your area. Only move, not click in there. Only move the mouse into your area. Then click on initial position. Click on initial position. This is magnetic lasso tool that can capture the similar color inside the picture. That magnetic, what is the use of magnet? That attract or to attract the similar color. Magnetic tool is used to select the similar color inside one picture. Any problem? And after selection, what you can do there? Copy paste, copy in another file, make selection, everything you can do in there. Okay, this lasso tool properties is finished now. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. Then go in another one, this magic wand tool. This is also used to select the required area of the picture. Magic wand tool in similar colors in a shape. Similar colors in a shape. Suppose if you want to select this area, if you want to select this color, only this color range is selected in a picture. Look in this picture. This color range, similar color range is selected in there. If you want to change the color opacity, color distance, color fillings, styles, patterns, everything is in there. You need to select the required color range at first. How to select the color range into your picture? By using magic wand tool. Magic wand tool. This is also the selection tool. Magic wand tool is also like same as the selection tool. This is one branch of the selection tool. And this tool is used to select the similar portions of the picture. And after that selection, what types of jobs can you do? We can do different types of copy paste or different others. Settings, property options. We can change the menu bar as well as the commands by using the keyboards or computer. Okay.